Hello everybody, it's Martin here. I have to be honest, I'm not really pleased with my last Coca-Cola and Mentos video. I believe the rig wasn't good enough. I believe the results of the Cola and Mentos was not that impressive. So what I have done is that I have designed and 3D printed this new rig. And this first part of the video would be the instruction how to make this rig work. First of all, I designed the rig with a really small hole. I only think it's 1 millimeter. I made this because you can always make the hole larger, but it's hard to make it smaller. In my case, the hole will be for this little nail, and that nail will have a diameter of 2 millimeters. The first thing we have to do is drill up that hole so the nail will fit. So let's begin with that. That will do it. Once you drill the hole, don't forget to check so it's nothing in the way of the other side. The other thing we need to do before we can begin is we need to take this cork and glue it to the inside of the rig. I've designed it this way because my 3D printer isn't good enough to print all this small detail. But before we do that, we need to drill a big hole in the cork. I measure it that the 25 millimeter hole will be the biggest one that I can fit on it. So let's do that. So if you have problem holding the cork when drilling it, it's not the easiest thing to hold it in your hand. Try to mount it on the bottle and drill it. Don't forget to clean it afterwards so it doesn't get stuck in anything. So let's glue it. For the gluing part, I'm going to use an ordinary cheap super glue. It hardens fast and it's easy to work with. So let's just apply. Try not to get this on my fingers. It's not always the funniest thing when it gets stuck to everything. And just press it down. And that's it. Now let's go outside and mount it all and see what happens. As you can see, it's a much smaller hole in the top. So I hope for a better result than we had last time. So everybody, we are outside and let's see how things will go. We'll actually do this quite close, then move back. Well, I'm not happy yet, so let's do it again. Okay everybody, one more try. And that was the result we were looking for. We got higher than these bushes. That was fun. Okay guys, let's just say it. This new rig is a success. It sprayed cola like 5 meters up in there. Real happy with this one. Print it and have some fun.